It is a kind of a comedy show that you can just play in the background, where you are just carrying on with your own life, and in the background the show is just kind of supporting you in your life. Welcome back to the channel everyone, I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So recently I finished watching the Mindy Project, and yes, obviously if you have already seen The Office, and if you have been like Kelly's fan, Kelly Kapoor, the character which she played in The Office, and then it is just a kind of an extension of how her character would have been if she might have been there still in The Office. And over here she is playing a doctor's character, a gynaec's character. So explaining all the 6 seasons in just like 5 minutes, I would try to do that, because it is just a kind of a show which is a kind of a chillax show. If you are keeping in mind that this would definitely have something different to offer, then, and if you have already seen The Office, then it really doesn't have that much different to offer as such. It is just a part of or how Mindy's character is all about in the show. So not really actually all these 6 seasons were even necessary. Season 1 starts in such a way that she is just working in a particular organization with 2 of her other colleagues, and her head boss, who is Dr. Schulman, he kind of goes away, and because of that these 3 people are now in charge of the whole hospital or of the whole institution, and based on that her journey kind of starts. So season 1 is basically all about that. So two other main characters, who is Dr. Castellano's character, Danny Castellano, and the second character, who is Dr. Jeremy Reed's character. These are both along with Mindy when they are kind of starting on their own, but in the end she kind of finds someone, and she kind of moves out of New York, and then she kind of starts her own life. But at the end of the day she realizes that he is not the one, and she again comes back to the same practice. And season 2 basically talks about how she gets involved with Danny Castellano, and how they kind of get together in the end. It happens in such a way that she definitely kind of keep thinking that he is always the one, and it is a kind of a Ross and Rachel thing, to be really honest. To sum up all the 6 seasons, it is definitely kind of a Ross and Rachel thing, where they don't want each other to be together, but at the same time they also don't want them to be with any other else. So it is a kind of definitely Ross and Rachel thing. But yes, there are certain parts of the series where you will definitely find something very different. Some of the episodes are really amazing, where they have kind of followed a very different kind of storyline, and the way in which they've told the story. So that is one good thing about that. Talking about season 3, season 4, as well as season 5, it is just a kind of the Ross and Rachel thing. As I said, Danny kind of gets involved with Mindy. They have a child together, then they get separated. Danny meets someone else, Mindy meets someone else. She even tries to marry that guy whose name is Ben, but eventually it doesn't work out, and then she realizes that it always was Danny whom she wants to get married to, and that is how basically the series ends. One of the bad thing about the series is 6 seasons is like a really big show, and they could have easily winded that up in hardly 4 or 3 seasons max to max. And apart from that, the good part about the series is it is a kind of a comedy show that you can just play in the background, where you are just carrying on with your own life, and in the background the show is just kind of supporting you in your life. But overall, if you have liked Kelly in The Office, then this show you should definitely watch, because there's a part of Kelly, or there's a part of the way that her character is played. It is a very different and very dramatic kind of the classic Mindy that you will definitely find. So that is it for this video, guys. Do let me know how the video is in the comment section below, and if you are an Office fan, then you should definitely try watching some of the episodes, or at least the best scenes on YouTube probably, because her character is definitely a brilliant character which has been written after all. And apart from that, do let me know if you have watched this series or not, or any other series that you would like me to watch and make a review video on, because probably I'm going to try to put a review video every Friday. So thank you so much for watching until here. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. We are very much close to 2K now, so please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and I'll be meeting you in the next video.